So I'm going to do some video here in 5K Lacey, and you can just kind of look around. Since I don't ever get to take you with me, since you make that wonderful sacrifice of having our babies, I really wish I could take you with me and you could just see everything for yourself. So hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of what I get to see, and it is definitely not as fun alone, obviously. I've got to go all the way down this mountain and my legs are sore already. Oh look, a walking stick. Somebody left. I'm just kidding. But here's the reflectors. And let me show you this little memorial. I love it.